Electronic waste is not just waste. It's a rich source of valuable metals. From complex circuit boards to high-purity gold and silver, this is how the transformation happens. Step 1. Electronic components depopulation. The process starts with removing components from the circuit boards using a specialized depopulation machine. This equipment separates electronic parts from the PCB in a clean and controlled way, reducing damage and material loss during the process. High-value components such as CPUs, IC chips, are detached and collected individually, making them easier to handle in the next stages. By separating these valuable parts at an early stage, the entire recycling process becomes more efficient and more focused on high-return materials. Step 2. Electronic components screening. Next, the separated components move into the screening stage. A screening machine sorts them by size, allowing different types of materials to be grouped more clearly. With a more organized material flow, the following processes can run smoother and achieve better sorting accuracy. Step 3. AI Intelligent Sorting System. Here's where technology takes center stage. Using our advanced AI-powered sorting machine, components are separated by type, allowing easier processing for valuable metals like gold, silver, and palladium. This step significantly improves the efficiency of precious metal recovery. Step 4. Crushing and separation of bare motherboards. With the clean motherboards left behind, we crush and separate them through shredding, pulverizing, and advanced airflow and electrostatic separation. This results in two primary outputs: metals like copper, nonmetals like resin fiber powder. These materials can then be reused in various industries, contributing to a circular economy. Step 5. Surface gold deplating. Next is the surface gold recovery stage. Gold is removed from components such as CPUs and RAM modules. Even the thin gold layers on the surface are effectively recovered and collected, keeping valuable materials from being lost in the process. Step 6. Precious metal refining. Finally, the materials enter the refining stage. Through the precious metal refining system, metals such as gold, silver, platinum, and palladium are extracted from the processed components. After refining, these metals reach a high level of purity and can be directly reused in production or sold as valuable raw materials. From electronic waste to high-value resources, this is not just recycling. It's a complete solution to maximize the value of every PCB. If you are interested in PCB recycling, please feel free to contact us for more information.